Hey sassy heads, Sandra here and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, it's been a while. It feels crazy to be saying that I am now planning in my very own planner. If you guys saw the video before this, because you've been watching for a while and waiting for me to post a video, I was basically talking about this new planner that is on pre-order that I created, and I created it because there was nothing on the market for stamping that really fulfilled my needs. The way that this planner does, I can stamp directly in it, color directly in it, and it saves me so much time. But just to get right into it, you guys, if you want to see more videos from me about other things, including where I've been, let me know in the comments. But most of you who follow me on Instagram and all my social media will be linked down below know that I had a baby, and so it just kind of prevented me from posting between being pregnant and not feeling well and being under the weather. So I mean, that's kind of life, and that's kind of why I'm also even talking low right now, because my baby's sleeping and I'm hoping I can make it through this whole voiceover without him waking up. But as you guys see right here, I'm just stamping like I always do, but instead of having to stamp onto paper and then cut out, I'm stamping directly in my planner, which is like crazy. Like, even looking at it now as I'm watching it and doing this voiceover, it's crazy to just see it in motion. For those of you guys who don't know, this planner is made 100% in the USA, so basically that's what adds to the cost, since I've gotten some questions about that, but completely worth it, you guys. You're supporting a small business, a small female-run business to boot, and I appreciate all of you guys who've been here with me on this journey for a couple years now since I've been on YouTube. I think this planner basically makes all your stamping dreams come true. It does for me. Also, I have a VIP program that is going to be on the website that you can read all about if you go to the link about this planner. For everyone who pre-orders it, you will actually get a private coloring class with me. I'm going to have a secret Facebook group for everyone who pre-orders so they can do a beginner's class with me. I'm going to do a pre-recorded video just for those people, and then I'm going to have basically that private Facebook group where you guys can interact with me if you have questions, and I can kind of critique and give you pointers to help you along your coloring journey. So I'm really excited about that. I know a lot of people have wanted me to do stuff like this for a while, so I'm finally kind of back in the headspace to start doing all of that stuff with you guys. As you guys can see here, I'm actually using a combination of Halloween stamps from last year's as well as this year's, and I'm actually even using one that came out in December, like the little coffee. It's from a set called Smallville, that little house with the little coffee on top. And then I'm also using the Banneret set for those little squares, and just a bunch of the different sets. I will try and remember all the names and link them down below. And then I'm kind of just going with the flow because it's been a while since I planned on camera, which is why you will periodically see my head pop in and now and again because, you know, I kind of forget that the camera is up above me, so that's how you know it's been a while since I filmed a video. I even was like super rusty with kind of getting back into it, but I'm just having so much fun with it. Obviously, I've done plan with me layouts and things that I haven't obviously posted here on YouTube. If you want to keep up with me, follow me again on Instagram, and I actually now have an Instagram for the planner, TSC Planner, and it's going to be down below for you guys so you can follow there. And I'm just really excited, you guys. It feels weird to be like back doing this voiceover, but I'm excited at the same time. I want to try and post a video a week if I can, so we'll see how that goes, but I'm definitely back and I'm definitely going to be posting. So as you guys can see there, I'm doing my tried and true technique using post-it note tape and then just stamping inside the boxes. I'm using some of the Sassy inks and purples. You want to be careful when you do this because it is a hybrid ink, but it's more of a pigment-based ink, so you want to give it time to dry so you don't smudge it. So I'm very careful when doing this and reusing that tape there as well. And then I'm just going in and adding little things here and there. It's kind of like I call it like my little artwork whenever I do these layouts, because I kind of just go with the flow, see what feels right, and then go from there. And then I go in and I just start writing whatever's happening in my day or the week, and I just start filling things in periodically. So everyone's planner style is different, but what I love about planning in your Sassy planner is that basically you just get to kind of unleash your creativity and really make it fun for you, because for me that's the therapeutic part of planning, is getting to color and stamp and just kind of see it all come together. And it's so fun to then share my work online, as I know a lot of you do as well. So If you guys have any questions about anything in regards to the planner or what I've been up to, leave them in the comments down below. I love to hear from you guys. I love to hear from you guys. I know a lot of my longtime followers by name and everything, so I would love to reconnect with some of you guys in the comments, and I'm going to be checking those after this goes up on Sunday. Again, I'm just going in and coloring in. It's so crazy to be able to color with the Copics on my planner that I'm just kind of like crazy to just even see it happening. I'm using my tried and true pen that I love to use for doing my lettering as well. Even though I am a little bit rusty, as you can see, but I'm enjoying it nonetheless. I wanted to post this up before the end of October, but I'm happy that I at least got it at the start of November. Like I said, I'm gonna try and do videos whenever I can, so probably maybe once a week. And yeah, I'm just going in and stamping in with a pigments ink here. I kind of was trying to figure out if I wanted to add and where I wanted to take away, like not do too much, because again, it's been a while since I've done one of these on camera, and I'm just kind of like going for it and just kind of like trusting my instincts on it. And that's kind of what you have to do when you stamp. You kind of just have to go for it and wing it, and like, you know, if you don't love how something turned out, there's always ways to kind of work around it and go around it. So, and you guys see me do that all the time when I used to plan and do videos all the time for you guys as well. And here I'm just coloring these little bats. I added those at the bottom just because I love those. And then I decided for the sidebar of this planner, I purposely kind of left it with the dot grid, as you can see on the top and the sidebar, so it's kind of easier to line things up if you want to stamp on the side. And so I decided to add a little area there and do a quote, because that's something I really enjoy doing, is like, depending on the week and what I'm feeling, doing a quote there or even doing a scene. But you can do whatever you want, because that's the beauty of this planner. It's undated, it's left so that you can basically unleash your creativity on it. So I decided to do that, and I just decided to kind of add an uplifting quote. And then I decided I was going to go ahead and color that in with a couple of distress inks. The reason I decided on those is because I knew that they would dry very quickly since they're a water-based ink. And I went in with a green, a purple, and a black, and I kind of just colored till it felt right to me. And my favorite part of this is when I take off the tape. It always is, even though I know what it's gonna look like, but it's like unveiling it looks so pretty, and I really love the way this turned out. But anyway, you guys, so happy to be back. Make sure and turn on those notifications if you're not, and follow me on all my other social medias, and check out TheSassyClub.com and go pre-order your planner and support the Sassy Club. And yeah, I promise you guys will love it. Bye.